Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and connected. Now go straight into the Play Store. Open the left menu and tap Library or Manage Apps and Device because that view lists installed and previously downloaded items. Once there, make sure you're on the correct account. Change accounts if needed. Next, identify items you want removed from your history versus apps to uninstall. Start with the oldest or largest entries so cleanup feels manageable and faster. Now you'll remove entries one by one or in batches. Tap the three-dot menu next to an app and choose Remove from Library or Uninstall as appropriate. This removes it from your history. If you have many, switch to Play. Google. Com on a desktop for faster bulk actions and keyboard shortcuts. Also use filters Installed, Not Installed, Purchased to focus. Once done, double-check that purchases remain intact if you want them restored later rather than erased. Finish by forcing a refresh so changes stick. If removals don't appear, go to Device Settings App's Google Play Store Storage and clear cache or data, then restart the device. This forces a resync. Make sure to repeat the process for other Google accounts you use. If an app reappears, verify it's linked to a family library or purchase status. Those can auto-restore. One quick tip. Allow a few minutes for cloud sync before retrying any action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.